Hi, everyone, and welcome to the new Resonate Recordings platform. To get you up and running as quickly as possible, I want to walk you through the biggest changes and how the platform is now organized. We rebuilt the app from the ground up to give us a new architecture and to manage your organizations and shows better. The overall architecture is simple. At the account level, you will manage things like your account settings, billings and plans, team, help and support, and to see multiple shows, you move to the top left-hand corner to toggle between shows. At the show level, on the Show Profile tab, you will see things like Show Details, where you have your title and description, as well as categories. Beyond that, we have areas for you to share your idea, purpose and goals, audience and competition, and all the information about your host. Some exciting areas include the episode structure, so that we know exactly how you like each episode structured, as well as your editing preferences and the equipment that you are using, so that if we need to help you troubleshoot, we have all the information we need. On the Show Assets page, you will find things like cover art and branding, elements and templates for your show, like intros and outros, and even ads and promos. The biggest changes are around the episode pages. To create a new episode, you will click the New Episode button, and to search your previous episodes, you can use the filters or the search tool. When working on an episode, we want to help you plan your episode before you hit record. In the planning section, you will find things like the title and description and the target publish date and time. We've given you areas to plan your content, guest details, and even book your remote recording session through Resonate. Next, upload your raw audio and video or link your Google Drive, Dropbox, or Riverside. Once those assets have been uploaded, you are able to let us know what that asset is. Editing is where you will give us your specific editing instructions for this episode in its full episode format, whether that's audio and video or just audio. You can also confirm that we have all of your guest details correct from the planning section, that you want to use your default episode structure or change the episode structure, and your default editing preferences or have something different for this individual episode. You can request things like videograms or audiograms and give the individual instructions for those as well. You are now ready to submit this episode to production. Once our team has had the chance to edit your episode, you will come to the Review tab. You will be able to listen and view it here, request a revision, or you can approve the asset and move to the next step. And now that my main files are both approved, this episode is ready for publishing. When you land on the Publish page, you will see that there is an automated checklist to make sure we have everything we need for this episode to go live. Then you will pick the date and time and click Ready for Publish. If you need to go ahead and push it to publish now, you will have that option as well. If you have any issues at any point in time in the planning, uploading, editing, reviewing, or publishing of an episode, you can chat with support here on the right-hand side, and it'll be attached to this individual episode. If you have questions for an overarching issue, you may click Messages here and start a new thread with our team. We hope you enjoy the new Resonate platform. Let us know if you have any questions or need to report any issues with the app. Thanks and have a great day.